battleground Bihar. We talked about two major rallies and two major players in this election. Both Prime Minister Modi and Rahul Gandhi making an appearance in Bihar today. Both kickstart their campaign and their rallies in the state. Let's go across to Manish now, who joins us for more on this. Manish, very interesting locations chosen by both Rahul Gandhi and Prime Minister. One is actually an overlap. In Bhagalpur, on the same day, we'll see the Prime Minister and also Rahul Gandhi.
Yes, it's a rally versus rally today, and right now we are in Sasaram, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will kick off his campaign. Their Chief Minister Nitish Kumar is also going to be present. Nitish will be present not only in Sasaram, but also in the last meeting of today in Bhagalpur. And the speech of Prime Minister, everybody is looking forward to his speech, because somewhere, because of the disunity among the rank and file of NDA workers on the ground, especially in the first round of polling in those 71 constituencies, in most of the constituencies they are getting the feedback that the workers are not so united as they used to be before. So everyone is pinning his hopes on Prime Minister's speech that he will dispel all the notion about this Lok Jan Shakti Party being backed by BJP, because Chirag Paswan always claims that Prime Minister Narendra Modi, his ideal, he's trying to install a BJP chief minister, and he will send Nitish Kumar to jail, which is really has confused the NDA rank and file in Bihar. Sonal.
I just want to talk about this appearance that's going to happen, Manish, of Nitish Kumar and Prime Minister Modi together. Hugely significant. Something, like you said, also has to be established in the rank and file of the BJP and the NDA voters at this point. We've seen Prime Minister being very gracious with his comments regarding Nitish Kumar of late. We're expecting more of that to happen, more camaraderie to be spotted on stage today?
Yes, of course. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today, he will have to be really generous when it comes to backing Nitish Kumar, because somewhere the BJP workers, the BJP voters are not really, as enthused as they used to be in the past. Unlike past, this time there is a kind of lack of unity, lack of enthusiasm among the BJP workers. Everyone is saying that Nitish Kumar's workers as well as his voters are, they are united behind him, but he's not getting the kind of cooperation or support. And Chirag Paswan has only, created more confusion by not fielding the candidates against the BJP candidates. And somewhere, he is hoping that he will be able to break into, this Nitish Kumar's, support base from, he was, whatever votes he was getting from the BJP quota, he's eyeing that. And somewhere, everyone is now saying that unless Prime Minister Modi makes some kind of dramatic speech, against Chirag Paswan, things are really going to get, more confused in the days to come. Sonal.
So the Prime Minister has to not just woo Nitish Kumar and prove his alliance with him, but actually criticize Chirag Paswan. That's an interesting one. Manish, I also wanted to understand, just 2 days ago, the Prime Minister made an appeal to the nation and talked about the COVID-19 guidelines, talked about how SOPs need to be followed and people need to be careful. When you are seeing rallies now, and we've seen innumerable rallies in Bihar where COVID-19 protocols went off, right? Nobody followed them. At this point where you are, could you pan your camera a little, show us around what exactly are the preparations, especially when the Prime Minister himself appealed for proper guidelines to be followed?
No, there is this enforcement of guidelines. It solely lies with the Election Commission, and Election Commission has failed. My cameraman Habib will show you. He's going to pan the camera, and he will show you how even the cops, you can see the lady cops. None of them are wearing any kind of mask. You see, most of the cops, talking on the phone, not wearing masks. He will show you in the other D also. And while we were coming, there was no BJP worker who was, distributing masks. Generally, according to the EC guidelines, the rally organizer has to provide masks to all those people who are not wearing the mask. But somewhere EC has completely failed when it comes to enforcing its own guidelines in the elections of Bihar. Sonal.